In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a partial position on TradingView, whether you're on a desktop or web platform or using the mobile app. Doing this will empower you to manage your trades more effectively, giving you added flexibility. Let's dive into the steps you need to take. First, let's look at how to handle this on the desktop or web platforms. Begin by locating your active trade within the positions window, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Once you've found the trade you want to partially close, what you'll do next is initiate the closing process by right-clicking on the active trade. From the menu that appears, simply select Close Position. This action will bring up a confirmation window. Within that window, you'll see an option to enable a partial close. Check the partial close box. This step is crucial as it lets the system know you're interested in closing only a part of the position. Now specify how much of the trade you want to exit. This can be the number of contracts or the exact amount. Once you've entered that information, the final step is to confirm the action. By doing so, you've successfully executed a partial closure of your trade. Now let's switch gears and explore the mobile app process. On your chart, you'll first need to access your position. To do this, either tap the X next to your position, or for a broader view of all your trades, tap the broker icon. Once you've accessed your position, you'll see the option to either close position or adjust size. Selecting one of these options will bring up the controls for a partial exit. In the pop-up that appears, you can enter the specific percentage or quantity you wish to close. You'll then need to confirm this partial exit to finalize the action. While this process might seem straightforward, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind. First, remember that the ability to partially close a position depends on your broker. TradingView itself doesn't provide this feature. It's a capability supported by your linked broker account. So if you don't see the option available, your broker might not support partial closures. Additionally, to make sure the partial close option appears, you may need to adjust your settings. Specifically, disabling the instant order placement mode in TradingView's Trading tab can help. Lastly, if you've developed any strategies using TradingView's Pine script, know that the partial closing functionality applies there as well, provided the instant order placement isn't in use. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your positions and make more informed trading decisions using TradingView on your preferred platform.